Boys and girls, today we're going to relate addition and subtraction. We're going to see how they are kind of alike. Okay. Here is a story problem for you. I have 5 bears, and I find 2 more bears. How many do I have now? Okay, I have 5. I find 2 more. How would I write that addition sentence? I have 5 plus because I find 2 more, right? And so how many do I have, everyone?
7.
7 bears, okay? Now listen to this. I have 5 bears. I lose 2 bears. How many do I have now? What do I do there? I have 5 bears. If you lose 2, that means 2 goes
Back.
away, right? So you're taking away, you are subtracting 2. What is 5 take away 2? Emma? 3. Okay. All right. So how did you know whether to add or subtract each problem? Ellie?
By the sign. If it's a plus or minus.
Well, but how about the story problem? What helped you know that you needed to add or subtract? If you find some, you get more, right?
Yes.
If you lose some, that they go away. Stop messing with it. Okay? You added in the first problem because you put 2 groups of bears together. And then you could have subtracted by taking away the bears, right? Okay. Here's another problem for right here. The soccer team has 8 red balls and 7 yellow balls. How many soccer balls does the team have? 7 red balls, or 8 red balls, 7 yellow balls. So how many does it have? What are we going to do here, boys and girls? Addition or subtraction, do you think? What do you think, Nicholas? We're going to do addition or subtraction?
We'll add.
We will add, because we have 8 and 7, right? We have 8, and they have 7 more balls. So altogether we have 8 plus 7 is how many balls, Ellie? 15 balls.
It really gave you the answer instructions.
Oh, does it?
Right at the bottom.
Okay. Now, okay, the bar model at the top of this page might help you solve the problem by showing that you had 2 numbers, 2 separate numbers, but that they need to go together to find the answer, the big total. So putting both of those together to find the total, right? Or find the whole. All right? Here's the other question. The soccer team has 15 balls inside the locker room. So 15 balls in the locker room. The children took 7 yellow balls outside. How many balls were left inside? Okay, now look how this is different. Look how this bar model is different. They gave us 15 here, right? Because they have 15 balls. They put 7 over here because they took 7 outside. We now need to figure out the other number. So this is actually what? This is what kind of operation? Addition or subtraction, everyone? Subtraction. We are actually subtracting 15. Take away 7 is what? What would also go here? Now we should know this because of the thing before, right? On the top. So what is it, everyone?
8.
8. There are 8 soccer balls left over. All right, turn the page. So boys and girls, wait, before we turn the page, well, I'll turn the page, you can turn the page, it's fine. But, so look at this. Are you ready?
Yes.
Eyes on me. Look at this. 8 plus 7 equals 15, right? Now look at this. 15 minus 7 equals 8. They're all the same numbers, aren't they? They're in a different order. The biggest number goes first in subtraction. Then it doesn't matter. You could have done 15 minus 8, and that would be 7. It doesn't matter about the littler numbers, okay? But those are the same. So even when you add, you can have the same subtraction numbers, but they're just in a different order, okay? All right. You can use addition facts to remember differences, which means subtraction. Related facts have the same wholes and parts. Okay, so they're saying, think of the add-ins in an addition fact to find a difference for related subtraction facts. All those numbers were the same, so they are all related, okay? 6 plus 7 is 13, okay? Now, if I wanted to do that in my subtraction fact, what would I start with? 13, your big number, right? 13 minus 7 would be 6. Make sure you have that written down. There's no reason for it because that means if you don't, then you're not paying attention. Mask on, sir. Thank you. All right. Today, for share and show, we are going to write the sum and the difference for the related facts. So boys and girls, 5 plus 4. What is 5 plus 4? Emma? 9. No, the related subtraction fact. You had the big number. The bigger number goes in the front, right? 9 minus 4 is what then? 5. Because you have to use the same numbers, right? They're just in a different order.
I think we can do this on our own.
Okay, let's do number 2 and 3 together one more time, just so for a little bit of practice, and I'll let you do the rest on your own.
Maybe can we do
Okay? 2
2
plus 7. Hudson? 9. Then 9 minus 2 should be
7.
3 plus 8, Haley.
11.
So then 11 minus 8 would be?
3.
All right. Yes, I will let you guys have partners. Okay? Someone will have to be Liam's partner. Write a related subtraction fact for each addition fact. 7 plus 8 equals 15. How would you write that in a subtraction fact? You first need what number for subtraction? 15, because it's the big number, right? You first have 15. I'm helping you on this, so y'all should be doing it. 15. Now, does it matter if you subtract the 7 or 8?
Yes.
Does it?
No.
No. Do you want to do minus 7 or minus 8? Okay, we'll do 8. So what should that equal?
7.
7. You still use all the same numbers. You just have to put them in a different order, right? Okay. I think Mr. Sims has a bag of 7 pairs and a bag of 6 pairs. His family eats 5 pears. How many pears does he have now? Okay, this is like a triple, this is a 3 or 2-step problem. Okay, not triple, just a 2-step problem. We first have to find out how many pears he has to begin with. So to begin, Mr. Sim has a bag of 7 pears, right? And a bag of 6 pears. How many pears is that, boys and girls?
13.
How many is it, everyone?
8.
What?
13.
He has a bag of 7 and a bag of 6. 7 plus 6 is not 8.
It's 13.
13. So he has 13 pears, right? Don't write that down. I said this is a 2-step problem, not a 1-step problem. Okay, so he starts out with 13 pears, right? Okay. He starts out with 13 pears. His family eats 5. So you have to take away 5 pears from 13. Okay? 13, take away 5. Okay. I don't know if it is or not.
8.
Okay, 8. Everybody says it's 8. So how many pears does he have now?
8.
Okay. It says, describe how you solved that. First, we're not going to make this long. I added, it's not going to be very long. 7 plus 6 equals 13. Period. Then what did we do? Subtracted 13 minus 5 equals 8 pairs.